Hi everyone, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. So this is a 14 by 14 canvas. All of my paints are mixed with Floetrol to my regular consistency, which is about 7 grams of paint to 80 grams of Floetrol. Actually measured out the other day, so now I know. I'm using titanium white. I didn't have turquoise, so I mixed up one. So it's just a turquoise mixed up. And Quinacridone Magenta by Basics, Cadmium Yellow Light Hue Basics, Dioxazine Purple Basics. So 4 colors, and it is the German silicone, 2 drops in each cup. No silicone in the white. Okay, let's get started. Trying to get it to float on top, it's not wanting to. Oh wait, wait. Weight is a key factor because of the weight. Heavier, and it likes to sink and help make cells. So my thinking is sometimes more white is a good thing. It'll help create cells. Loving this purple next to the yellow. I do like this color combo. It came out really nice in the other painting. And there is nothing wrong with doing this same color combo again. This is going to be the end of it. This is a big cup. This is a 16-ounce cup, so I certainly don't want to fill it all the way up because I'm wanting to stretch the paint out. Alright, that's going to be enough. This is how we do it. that needs to rest. Second. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving with your family. Not sure when this video is going to go out, but I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. Waiting. All right, here we go. Well, that's about 1 billion cells for right off the bat. Oh boy, that's gonna be a lot. Sometimes they crowd each other out, and that's not good to have so many right away. It sure looks pretty now. Problem is, lately, when I stretch them out, they don't stay as round and juicy as they look right now. And it's super tricky, really, really tricky. So I'm gonna hit it with the heat gun. They're still growing a little. It's mesmerizing, isn't it? Hypnotizing. Yeah, I see eyes popping out. Cool. I just slammed that down, didn't I? I didn't mean to. Yeah. So, explosion. Crazy. I'm gonna go up here first. It's okay if you dump off some cells when you have this many, because seriously, they're not going to stretch out when they're so crowded. But the trick is to move it slowly, otherwise they go all Willy Wonka. So far so good. 3 corners to go. I'm rocking it gently. Pretty. So far, it's really pretty. Okay. You guys know me, I like full coverage. I like my corners done. Just go nice and slow. Wow, do you see the bright colors? They're so bright and beautiful. Purpley this time. Okay. See how much they're growing? Just trying to stretch them out gently. I didn't overdo it on the paint this time because I wanted to be able to stretch it, and that seems to be working out so far. Really colorful cells. Bringing that back a bit because I've got to get over to that corner. Just trying to move gently. Three down, one to go. Come on, baby. It's moving glacier slow. All right, that's good. Trying to get a focal point somewhere in the center. Wow, that is gorgeous. So pretty. So, from my experience with the silicone, I do expect for some things to pop up in the next, I don't know, 30 minutes, overnight, who knows. I'm gonna hit it with the heat gun. I've never had to stretch quite so far. I usually fill my cups pretty good where I don't need to worry about it. So, I don't know, what do you guys think? This is definitely a keeper. I'm liking it. And thank you guys for watching. Wow, look at that one. I'll do a close-up, and I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I did. And please subscribe if you have not already. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy pouring! Okay, hi everyone. Here it is dry. I want you guys to see. Look at the superhero little character. Isn't he awesome? My son sees it too, so I know I'm not crazy. But okay, so let's just go over the final product here. It dried really well. No silicone oil was on it at all. I didn't have to clean it at all. And that's great. And then look at that cell. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Look at that. Look this next to my hand. Now they got a little bit more, I don't know, I said smoky earlier, but there's definitely definition. Definitely definition. There's still definition. Really pretty cells. It went a little more lavender than I wanted to, because looking back, I wish I had done the purple, then yellow, then white. But I did yellow, then purple, then white, and that caused it to go like really lavender, with the purple and the white right next to each other. So lesson learned on that color combo. But anyway, here it is dry, guys. Really pleased with it. I'm going to be putting it on Etsy, and hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Happy pouring!